Most humidifiers stay on the same setting all day and all night, but this is the Smart Mist ultrasonic humidifier from Sharper Image. It actually monitors the humidity level in your room and adjusts itself to maintain consistent levels. It features warm or cool mist and runs up to 90 hours on the low setting. It's great for small or large rooms, and watch this, it comes with these extension wands to help you disperse the mist throughout your room. There's one. And there's two. Best of all, there are no filters to buy or replace. Make a smart choice. The Smart Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier, available at sharperimage.com.